In today's video, I am going to teach you how to link cells in different Excel spreadsheets. Linking cells is a great way to pull data from one workbook into another, so that your destination sheet can update automatically when the source changes. To get started, you will need both Excel files open at the same time. This makes it much easier to copy the correct cell and then create a link in the other workbook. First, open both Excel files. As you do this, try to position the windows so you can switch between them quickly. You will be copying from one file and then pasting into the other. If the two files are in separate tabs or windows, that is fine. The important part is that you can see the sheet containing the cell you want to link in the source file, and you can also see the destination sheet where the link will go. Once both files are open, focus on the source file. In the source workbook, right-click cell B2 and click Copy. Take a moment to make sure you are right-clicking cell B2 specifically, not a nearby cell. Cell references matter in Excel, and B2 is the exact cell you want to link. When you click Copy, Excel places the cell contents into the clipboard. You are not just copying for display. You will soon paste in a way that creates a live link to that cell. Now that you have copied cell B2 from the source file, switch to the destination file. This is the workbook where you want the linked value to appear. Click over to the destination workbook, so the active sheet is the one you want to update. This step matters because the paste action will occur in the currently active destination worksheet and at the cell you select before pasting. In the destination workbook, right-click cell A1, then click Paste Special from the menu. Choosing the correct destination cell is important. Since you are right-clicking A1, that is where the linked content will be placed. If you paste elsewhere by accident, your data will not land in the location you planned, and you may end up having to move it later. When you right-click, the Paste Special option should appear in the menu, and you will select it to open the specialized paste options. After you open Paste Special, look at the options at the bottom of the paste window. You want to create a link, so click the Paste Link button at the bottom. This is the key action that turns your paste into a connection between workbooks. Instead of pasting a static value, Excel will keep the destination cell linked to the source cell. As a result, if B2 in the source workbook changes in the future, A1 in the destination workbook updates to reflect that change. Once you click Paste Link, take a brief moment to confirm that the link appears correctly in cell A1. You should see the value from cell B2 now displayed in the destination cell. In many cases, Excel also stores a reference behind the scenes, so the update works automatically. If you notice anything unexpected, such as blank output or an incorrect value, you can undo and repeat the paste steps carefully, making sure you copied from the correct cell and then pasted into the correct destination cell. At this point, you have successfully linked a cell from one Excel spreadsheet into another. You can now treat the destination workbook as a dashboard or summary that stays synchronized with the source workbook. Whenever the source cell B2 is updated, the linked cell in A1 will reflect the latest information, which helps reduce manual updating and potential errors. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.